Thankfully, we do not have a barrel situation, but all of them have molds now, so we don't have that problem. We have gone through and opened up all those barrels. And a lot of them are now full with water, so that's going to help. Anything else in this? Oh yes, very important. Even though it is nice and cool today, make sure you're drinking plenty of water. Drink water all the time. It is good for you. It's healthy for you. All right. There's a hydration chart in the porta potty. We'll let you know exactly how you're doing. Kind of keep that going. Also, when it comes to the porta potty, let's try not to make a mess in there. All right. There's a urinal for all us guys to stand at. Try and use that instead of going all over the seat where the ladies are sitting. All right. Let's keep that in mind. Also, whenever you're in there, stop jacking around with the toilet paper and dropping it in the toilet. I have lost more than a good share of fresh rolls of toilet paper because people are jacking around in there, bopping around, and it drops in there. There's probably also been some cell phones and other stuff that have gone into the Blue Lagoon. I used to have it all the time at the paintball field I worked at. Field radios, always down in there. What else? Quick. I think that's it. That's on it? Alright. I don't know what kind of numbers we got, but right over here, step this way.